Weeding should be done during critical periods of growth to avoid competition for nutrients, light, and water. Some weeds are fast-growing and aggressive and can take over weak or small plants and drastically reduce their growth and seed production. Parasitic weeds should be removed in advance from the plots to avoid their rapid spread into other fields and contamination from seed set. Weeding is a very important activity of field management during the regeneration of germplasm materials. It should be consistently done at regular intervals after planting, during growth, and also before and after flowering. The frequency of weeding varies with the species, type of soil, and climate, especially the temperature and rain intensity and frequency, or frequency and type of irrigation. When there are large areas to be weeded at once, it usually is good to have a group of experienced field workers to perform the weeding in a faster way. Weeding should be done by skilled people to avoid removing the wrong species. During regeneration, many different plots are planted with various species, especially when similar species need isolation from each other. Sometimes seeds from soil germinate, so they become weeds of neighboring plots. In these cases, the knowledge of which species are weeds and which ones belong to the plot is very important.
Weeds must be removed from the fields to avoid regrowth and spread of seeds. Some weeds can be particularly dangerous and care must be taken to remove them as soon as they are seen in the field, especially before they flower. For example, the parasitic weed Orobanchi can have its seeds spread over very long distances.
This is a very bad weed, yeah.
Yes, Orobanchi.
Yeah.
No, tell him to take them before start flowering.
Okay.
Because it will start flowering and produce seeds, it will be a big problem.
It's a parasitic.
And it's much better if he can collect all of them and put them here and then burn them.
Yeah.
This is very dangerous one. So it's better to take all the plant because it is Cascuta. And you see, this is like Orobanchi. This is what I recommend, to take all the plant. All the plant, even it is Medicago. You see, this is the plant, the parasite. So it should be taken and burned. Cascuta.
Yeah.
So this is the Cascuta. You see, it's spreading everywhere. So what you need to take all these, this part, and burn it. Don't leave any chance for Cascuta to invest the field. When it's spread like this, it will take the food from the entire plant. This is very important. This is the seed, the flower and the seed. So this is very important to be weeded, or otherwise you need to you see, it's everywhere. It's not only for the legumes. It can affect the Solanaceae.
As well as weeds, sometimes plots contain a mixture of two forage species. Taxonomic specialists are needed to sort out the mixture.
It's better to rogue everything and keep the Medicago.
Yeah.
So this is the first step.
That's the first step. That's the system.
So to take everything except the Medicago, it will tell if it is Hainiana, then the seed will be looks like radiata, which is the major mistake. But I can't tell unless we take this pot with us.